Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can know when the fairy ring appears. I actually missed the time, but it will show on the fairy event when it's like 30 minutes left. You are going to see the fairy ring in the middle. So 30 minutes after the fairy event appears, it's going to appear, but it's going to only appear for like 40, no, sorry. It's going to appear for 4 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes, not 4. Why did I say 4? Okay, so I'm just going to craft some more here just in case I run into any downstairs in the fairy world. So basically that's when the fairy world appears, is in like when the fairy event says 30 more minutes, and you'll be able to see this and you can teleport to the fairy world like so. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!